Practice, lesson 1.6. What is 4 and 567 thousandths divided by 100, or 4.567 divided by 100? If I'm dividing by 100, the decimal place, which direction is it going to go? Is it going to go to the right or to the left? Dividing means my number is going to get smaller. 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm starting here. Getting smaller means the decimal place is going to move 2 places this way. So I'm going to have to add a 0 and a 0. So my answer is going to be 0.04567. Which is the same as 45 and 67 hundredths divided by 10. So dividing, it's getting smaller. So the decimal place is going to move over. First, I'm going to solve this and say, well, if I move the decimal place, it's going to be 4 and 567 thousandths, 4.567. Which of these is going to be the same? With A, if I'm dividing by 100, I'm going to move the decimal place 2 places. That's going to be a lot smaller than 4. I'm looking for an answer that starts with 4 decimal. So this cannot be correct. This B starts off the 4 decimal, and dividing by 10, it'd have to get smaller, so it would be smaller than 4, so that cannot be right. C, 456.7 divided by 100. 100, I'm going to be moving the decimal 2 places. So 1, 2, that would be 4.567. So C is correct. Let's just check the other one to make sure. D, 456.7 divided by 10. I'm going to move the decimal place 1. That would be 45.67. That's too big. So C is my answer. And this one, which is the same as 98.76 divided by 10. So this is similar to the last one. Divided by 10, I'm going to be moving the decimal place over 1. So this is going to equal 9.876. Which one is the same? This starts off at 9, and I'm dividing it by 100. That's going to be too small, so that's not correct. This starts off at 9. Remember, I'm looking for an answer that ends with 9 decimal. B starts off at 9, I'm dividing by 10. B is not going to be correct. 987.6 divided by 100, I move the decimal place over 2 spots. That's going to be 9.876, or 9 and 876 thousandths. So this one is going to be correct. And D, if I move that over 1 spot because I'm dividing by 10, 98.76 is not correct. So C is the correct answer.